Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. Today I want to introduce you our factory that produces the concrete pump. This factory has 20 years experience of producing the concrete pump and also sells all kinds of concrete pumps, 3 to 400 sets, both domestic and foreign. Let's go and see. This is our producing workshop of the concrete pump. This area is we producing the asphalt and the hoppers on the concrete pump. And in this area, we producing the frame of the concrete pump and the shells of the concrete pump, including the legs and other parts. And this is the laser machine. We cut the concrete plate, and behind the laser machines is the room of the painting spring. We will paint the colors on the machines in that room. In this area, we will assemble the machines of the concrete pumps. And as you can see, this is the hoppers and the shells after painting on the color. And this is the machines being assembled. And this is where we producing the control box of the concrete pump. This area is the hydraulic component. This is the concrete pistol that is, and this red is the concrete cylinder. This is the warehouse. We install all the small parts of the concrete pump, including the electrical control box and other parts. This is the warehouse. We store the machines as being finished the production. And these are the tires. This is the Weichai brand diesel engine we purchased. And this is the concrete mixer pumps we installed in here. This is the general situations of our concrete pump factories, and our small machinery is specialized in supplying all kinds of the construction machines. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.